a little bit too excited. Today, we have a classic favorite of every child, I think worldwide. We have Play-Doh! We have tons of Play-Doh here. We enjoy playing with it all the time.
Make a hole.
You like to make a hole with your Play-Doh?
I like to make a launch site for my 𝗣𝗟𝗍𝗚 rocket.
He likes to make launch sites for his rockets. Whoa. Yeah, you can make many different things with Play-Doh. We have purple Play-Doh here. We have a yellow Play-Doh. And you have a beautiful blue Play-Doh. Look at yours.
Let's make
You're going to make some...
muck.
You're going to make muck. Okay. So today, we're going to take a look at this purple Play-Doh. And we're going to see what it looks like under the microscope. So I have a small little sample prepared and ready to go. Should we check it out and see what it looks like? Okay, let's check it out. There it is.
I see silver.
Yeah, it looks a little bit silver right now. Right now we're using the 5X objective.
No, not there.
There's one right there. Yeah, there's this little purple Play-Doh here. You want the purple Play-Doh?
Play-Doh all straight.
You can make it all straight. Yeah, you can push it. So look at that, guys. Right now it's so grainy we can't really see.
And we can muck in the contact and into the muck.
He's making more muck. That's fine. You can do whatever you want with Play-Doh. This is the 5X. We can't really see too much right now. It's very grainy. I think we should get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Let's get a little bit closer. Let's go to the 10X now.
Yeah.
There it is.
I see purple.
Yeah, you can start to see the purple. Now, Play-Doh, from what I understand, is made out of wheat. It contains wheat. So I guess these are part of the little grainy wheat structures, the microscopic fibers within wheat. Yeah, you're just playing with your Play-Doh. What are you making?
I'm making something bumpy dirt.
Something bumpy dirt. Okay. There's that yellow one. We have orange one.
I'm making some dirt, mucky dirt.
Mucky dirt. That's fine. What do you think about this one? You can finally see the purple color on that Play-Doh.
I see a lot of purple.
Yeah, a lot of purple. Let's get closer because we still can't really see too much. I want to see those little fine details. Let's go to the 20.
I'm making muck.
You're still making muck. Okay, that's fine.
Hey!
There we go.
I still see purple.
I still see purple. Yes, we're doing the purple Play-Doh, so it is purple. But check that out.
I see violet purple.
Violet purple. Ooh, that's
Making muck.
You're still making muck. Okay, that's fine. The boy loves muck, people. The boy loves muck. So we can start to see little circular patterns of the wheat fibers, I believe. Of course, they put food coloring to make the different colors. But that's very interesting. Isn't that interesting?
I'm making some muck.
Osito, what do you think about the purple Play-Doh? Yeah, isn't it interesting?
Try my little...
Hey, you're making a tortilla.
No, I'm still trying to make my thing.
You're still trying to make your thing. That's fine. Hey, I think we should go all the way now because we need to see a little bit closer to see what the Play-Doh looks like. Here we go.
I'll say hold that bone.
Look at that one now.
I see the streakers of purple.
Yeah, you know what it reminds me of? You know what this reminds me of?
Yeah.
It reminds me of a planet. They look almost like craters, don't they? Yeah, it's a bumpy surface on this.
I'm making muck.
You're still making muck. Okay. So yeah, there it is. Wow, that's really interesting. Yeah, who would have ever thought Play-Doh looks like a planet when you look at it close? Wow. So there you have it, folks. Today we did Play-Doh. We did the purple Play-Doh. It looks really interesting under the microscope. We play with Play-Doh all the time. We make towers. We make castles. We make vehicles. We cook with our Play-Doh. We make slices of pizza. And we make noodles. And then we eat them. You're cooking. We hope you enjoyed today's episode as we explore the unseen universe.